Welcome to Priorities. It's a game all about absurd choices and extreme honesty. Each round, one player is the target player. They rank 5 everyday item cards from love to loathe. The other players work together to try and guess the target player's order. Every guess they get right is a card for the players. Every card they get wrong goes to the game. It's everyone versus the game, and the first one to spell priorities with the letters on the back of the cards wins. To set up, shuffle the deck of cards and place them face up on one side. Nominate a target player who will take the whiteboard and marker. Deal 5 cards from the top of the deck and lay them out on the center of the table for everyone to read. Without touching the cards or giving any verbal or physical hints, Kevin, the target player must secretly rank the cards in order of personal preference, from 1, love, to 5, loathe. They'll write their answers on the whiteboard before placing it face down. Then, everyone else arranges the cards in the order they think the target player has ranked them. The target player can't speak or help. Once everyone has agreed on an order, the target player flips their whiteboard and reveals their answers. Then it's time to score. Going card by card, players compare their order to the target player's rankings. Every incorrectly ranked card is won by the game and goes into a penalty pile. Every card that matches is won by the player and goes into a score pile. Flip the cards in both piles face down so you can see what the letters are on the backs. The goal is to spell priorities with the score pile before the game does with the penalty pile. Once you've scored, start a new round. The role of the target player will move to the left. The game ends once either the players or the game spells priorities. You spell priorities first, you win. And that's the basics. Now go forth and get to know your friends a little better.